Hi friends! Today I will tell you how to talk about your daily routine using easy English. First, let's learn one small rule. When we talk about things we do every day, we use the present simple tense. Now, let's learn some small words that make our English sound better. These words are first, then, after that, next, and finally. These words connect our sentences together. Instead of saying many small sentences, we can join them like a story. For example, first I wake up, then I brush my teeth. After that I eat breakfast. Next I go to school. Finally I go to bed. See? These small words make it sound like a real story, not just a list of sentences. Now let's use this trick and talk about a full daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast. I drink milk and eat bread. Next, I get ready for school. I wear my uniform and take my bag. I go to school at 8 o'clock. At school, I study many subjects. I read books. I write in my notebook. I talk with my friends. At lunchtime, I eat my lunch. I eat rice and vegetables. Then I play with my friends in the playground. School finishes in the afternoon. I come back home. I feel a little tired. I drink some water and take a rest. In the evening, I do my homework. I write my answers carefully. After homework, I play outside for some time. I run and laugh with my friends. Later, I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. Then, my family and I eat dinner together. We talk about our day. After dinner, I watch TV for a little bit. Then, I brush my teeth again. I go to my bed at 9 o'clock. I close my eyes and sleep. This is my daily routine, from morning to night. Every sentence is simple. I just use easy words like wake up, eat, go, study, play, sleep. And now you also know the small words that connect a story. First, then, after that, next, finally. You can talk about your day in the same easy way. Try it today.